Hello, can you just stop scrolling for a moment? Just picture yourself living in a beachfront resort lifestyle at AMRA Integrative Wellness Resort at a surprisingly affordable price point. Whether you are looking for your dream home or a high-yielding investment, this property promises incredible return on investment and massive capital appreciation. Just take a look. So beautiful. World-class amenities. Resort lifestyle in a residential structure. Waking up every morning with a full sea view. Just having what you can see in a 5-star hotel. I mean, the services here is more than a 5-star hotel. Check out the roof height. Full glass with a full sea view. This is so amazing. If you talk about the price, it is a highly premium living without a premium price tag. If you talk about the locations, it is situated in a top-notch, highly desirable location. If you talk about the payment plan, it is structured to make buying effortless and stress-free. If you are talking about the quality, it is fully fitted with top-notch brands and complete kitchen appliances, right down to the plates, anything you need in the kitchen. Just check out the structure. It is amazing. The design is really something unique in the market. Just check out the community pool, full sea view. And then you have in the mid block with all that. We talk about the tracking jugs, we talk about the sauna, steam, we talk about whatever. There is also outdoor cinemas, and then the 1-bedroom as a show apartment. Just check out the brand, what it is made up of. It comes with the best brand in the market. It have refrigerators, dishwashers, washing machines, microwave, what have you. Even it gets to the plate. Amazing, right? One of the best ceramic walls, is used for this project. You can't afford to miss it. Now, there's something again that people need to see. There's a separate laundry room. Just check out the guest washroom size. Is big enough. Then you have a separate laundry, and then you have, this is the hall. The height is something else, and full glass to the balcony facing the sea. I mean, you wake up every in the morning smiling because of what good views you have. This is so nice and enticing. And again, this is a bedroom. Very huge size. The best size in the market. It's got a standing, or you call it walk-in shower. Then there is a Citi Body. Citi Body is something so, it's an advanced service robot ready to assist you with anything you need across the building management circle. And in the common areas, there are robots serving coffees and all that. Honestly, this is so amazing. Anyways, it's a high demand project, and projects like this sells out very fast. Contact me right now for exclusive details and floor plans.